Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change Facebook page name. So this is a very easy tutorial. First you just have to open your Facebook page. Now what you want to do next is to click this three lines at the top right corner that is next to notification icon or bell. And then here click this gear icon or settings. Tap this one. Now you have to look for page settings. So this is the name of my page. Click this. And then in order to change, you just have to click name. And here you just have to think of that new name for your page. Now you have to take note if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. If you want to learn more, you can tap learn more to know more information about changing name on Facebook page. Okay, so you have to think of that unique and correct Facebook page because you can't change that again for 60 days. So you have to think of it, and once you're okay with that, then all you have to do is to click review change and change your Facebook name. However, you can also add nickname or birth name that is under page settings. So if you want to modify about your name or other names, you just have to go to page settings and change your name and other names here. And that's it. That's how easy it is to change Facebook page name. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.